Today, we're really happy to have PayPal with us, one of the champions, of course, in payments, which touches all the topics that we like to talk about on our channel here.
That regulatory framework has been focused on a lot of great things, but perhaps it needs to evolve a bit further in terms of creating that enabling environment for a thriving services layer.
In Europe, we fall short of having real global players, and particularly in the payments industry.
You have been first and trying to crack the nut of using account-to-account or wallets at POS, physical point of sale.
We've always observed from our consumer preferences over the years has actually been this sort of a greater desire towards more omni-channel experiences. Consumers expect from their payment methods to go with them wherever they go, be that online or offline, or indeed in the store in the physical point of sale.